Good morning, starting the day. I'm here at Hancock, Maryland, and today I'm gonna ride all the way to Harpers Ferry. It's about 65 miles to go. So it's gonna be a beautiful day. Should be no rain, despite it shows clouds. It's gonna clear out. I'm gonna ride with Troy, who I met yesterday on the trail. We decided to ride together. So, hey, good morning, Troy.
Good morning.
Ready to go?
Ready to go.
All right, let's do it.
Here's what I was told. And I'd walk around to every one of the engineers and say, hey, show me what you're working on. And I'd sit and talk with them for about 10, 15 minutes on what they're working on.
Yeah.
And what happened was the business development.
My other camera stopped working, so I'm gonna use this one for today's vlogging. Going over the river. That's very tense. Now we're gonna switch over to C&O Canal Trail. Western the rail trail in C. Going back to C&O Canal Trail. I didn't realize that actually we were so far from the trail.
This is a really nice park.
Turn left onto Chesapeake and Ohio Canal towpath, U.S. bicycle route.
There we go.
There you go. I didn't speak Russian at all. When I came out, I spoke fluently. But now I have forgotten already, since I haven't used it. I can still understand half of it, but I don't remember anymore. All right, another lock. And this one is 46. That's pretty cool. You know, you can rent out these.
Oh, really?
Yeah. But I would rather stay on the campsite. We're gonna ride in a beautiful section.
Yeah.
It's gonna be like maybe a couple of miles like that.
This is beautiful.
Absolutely. It's gonna be like that. Yeah, look at that. So pretty. This is the spot where you have to get off the bike and take the stairs up. So we have about 30 minutes to go to the next town. Gonna take the break there. Let's see, what is this town? We're gonna stop here, get the coffee, take a break.
600 feet, turn right.
Look, we are well protected. Look it up. Look up there.
Oh, yeah. I think I've been here before.
You have been here?
I think so.
Here you go. Back to the trail. Leaving the Williamsport. Another lock number 44. Another hiker-biker campsite. So I'm going to mobile park, RV park. Wow, this all broke down. Yeah, they got some stormy weather here last night. Oh! It's not easy.
No.
Yeah, they definitely got some storm last night. These guys are here to clean up. Bye. Just in time. That's good then. Should be clear ahead.
Yes.
Another lock. He got stuck behind this thing. It's a beautiful idea. So that's the famous McMahon's Mill. Yeah, beautiful. Look at that. So cool. Yeah, it's really beautiful. Between Williamsport and the Shepherdstown. So that's inlet lock 4. All right, another lock. Oh, what is it? It's not a lock. All right, we have 6 miles, 30 minutes to go to the town. It's a beautiful town, Shepherdstown. Wow, look at these paintings. Really nice. It's a beautiful town. I think it's called Shepherdstown. So, be on the trail again. It's gonna be a nice ride. It turned out to be a beautiful day. Look at that. It's supposed to rain today, but looks like not. It might rain later of the night, but maybe in Harpers Ferry by then. That's a huge campsite. Let's see what they say. Huh. creek. So we are about 10 miles from Harpers Ferry. That's where I'm heading. Lock number 37. Alright. About maybe 7 miles to go. And we're gonna be in Harpers Ferry. This is right before Harpers Ferry. Really nice. Beautiful. All right, I can see the bridge.
In 600 feet, turn right onto Appalachian National Scenic Trail.
Yeah, that's old lock here too. Lock number 33. Look at this view. Absolutely beautiful. We are in Harpers Ferry. It's a beautiful town. Look how cool is that. We have to carry our bikes down again. It's a nice ride. There's a train tracks back there, canal, and the bike trail. That's cool. Lock number 29.
Want to get some pictures on the other side?
Yeah, let's take some pictures. It's so cool. Yeah, look at that. So much greenery. Oh man, wow. Bambi. Bambi. Wow. Keep going. Bye.
That was neat.
That was really neat. Another biker campsite. Look at this tree. It's huge. I don't know what kind of tree is that, but it looks big. Historic White's Ferry. White's Ferry Grill. Store and grill. It is open. Let's get a coffee. That's the famous White Ferry. Historic White's Ferry. It's a White's Ferry, yeah? So what does it say?
It acts like it's still running, but...
Yeah. But I think they shut it down like maybe 5 years ago, 4 years, 3. I don't know. I could ask inside what they say. So 1985, flood was that much. 96, 72. How many feet is that? That's like 15 feet.
Yes, I would guess so.
That is crazy. Heading out again. Historic White's Ferry. Thank you. Another lock. Hi. Hello.
Morning.
Hello.
Morning. Hello. Thank you. Here you go. We have arrived. That's the Great Falls. This is not the Great Falls. That's what I thought it's the Great Falls, but the Great Falls are back there. I was looking, oh, that's really cool, but
So when we did whitewater rafting, it was like this, and if you
Really?
fell out, yeah, you fell out of the boat, you're supposed to point your feet downwards
yeah.
and put your hands to the side, and your dry suit keeps you completely floating above.
Yeah, but you're gonna hit the rock.
For some reason, you don't.
Wow. I guess baby water is pushing away.
I guess so, yeah.
Yeah. That is cool. Now let's go back there. Going to the Great Falls. That's the Great Falls overlook. So many people. That's okay. Look at that. A lot of water. Look how fast the water is moving. Is that Rapids 5?
That's probably 5 right there. Those are called Class 5 rapids.
Yeah.
To what extent can you combine existing items?
Yeah. Such a beautiful place.
And remember when we went over? There was some.
So we are reaching to the end. This is the Capital Crescent Trail, right next to C&O Trail. Okay, my bike tour is coming to the end. We are reaching Washington, D.C. Alright, I'll see you all in the next one.